Okay, so I have a little paring knife. I'm just gonna open the ends. Okay, oh, that came out. So that came out with it. Okay. On the top, and that's what it looks like. Okay, so we have another one. This one's to register my new product. And then we've got important safety instructions, basic first steps, like how to load the bobbin. Put this aside. Okay, so we're gonna just tilt it on its side and slide it out of the box. Okay. All right. So the first thing I see is the walking foot. Okay, so put that aside. We have a bag of feet and other accessories. And then we have the optional foot. And then the plug-in cord. Okay. And it came with a little dust cover, which I will use in the meantime until I get one made. I have one for my other machine, so I don't think it'll fit this one. Okay, so stand her up. There she is. This one, the packaging. Okay, so that's the power cord. We're gonna plug that in. Gonna go in there. Okay. It's also a different style bobbin than I have on my Prelude, which I will also show you. So my bobbin is down here. But that's okay. It shouldn't take too long to get used to this. Okay, I'm gonna turn it on. Okay. That way. So we gotta take that out of there. Push the little door. Okay, so we've got that. And we're gonna spool some thread on it. So stick it on the top. My thread's back there. Dun, dun, dun. Thread on the bobbin. So the bobbin goes there, as per the diagrams. So as per this little design, we need to put the bobbin in with its tail behind it and pull it up and around. So up and around through here, like that. So we're gonna put him in just like it says, with the little tail to the back side so it can spin that way. Pop him in, and then we gotta tuck it in, down around, up and over, just like that. Okay, and then we put this little piece back. Okay, and we are ready to go. Okay, so you put the bobbin in and you run the thread just as it's diagrammed on this plate. Okay, and we're gonna bring our thread down. I have my spool behind my machine on a bigger. So from my spool, I'm gonna go through this little notch, this one here. I'll give you a close-up of it. So behind here, I'll give you a close-up of that as well. Down the front, around the front, back behind that, and then down. And then down. So I'm gonna go over this and then it's going to go over that one back there. And this machine has a needle threader, so I'm going to try it. Just like this. Hold on to it. Okay, like that. And voila. We have a threaded needle. And then we put it down here through this place. So, this here is the type of stitch we're doing, width and length. And these are the stitches. So I've just got letters and numbers. I'm going to